Hey everybody, Joe Liptock audio engineer. Today I'm going to be talking about hooking up speakers to an RCA cable that don't necessarily have RCA jacks. Now the first thing you want to do in this situation is check up on the status of your speaker. Is it active, meaning do you plug the speaker in, or is it passive, meaning does the input connection of the cable power the speaker? Because if you change a passive speaker to accept composite or RCA plugs, you won't get a sufficient signal because the cable of the RCA plug will only transfer low-level audio signals. It's expecting to then be powered by the speaker. So if you have a powered speaker in that case, then you should be fine. In fact, you should already have a composite jack on that speaker. But if you don't, you can change it to that by a little bit of soldering work, and there you go. But please, please note that if your speaker is passive, you should stick to powering it from the speaker cables provided from the receiver itself. So I hope this video sheds a little bit of light on that subject, and I hope you stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys.